All right, welcome back to Front-End Web Development with Vitus DK. This is our feed discussion and we'll be looking at templates, frameworks, and libraries, as well as a quick view at version or source control. In our agenda, we'll be looking at different types of templates, libraries, and frameworks, some of the key features and examples. We'll also take a look at the software version control or source control systems. As you already know by now, front-end web development involves building the user interface of web applications. But to streamline this process, developers often use templates, libraries, frameworks, and source control or version control systems to make these dynamic and interactive web applications development to be streamlined, more efficient, and maintainable. Even though the terms are used interchangeably, they represent distinct concepts in web development. So let's break them down. Templates to begin with provide pre-designed structures and layouts for web applications. Their focus is on the overall look and feel of the website or web app, including HTML, CSS, and sometimes JavaScript. Good examples include Bootstrap, Foundation, and Materialize, which all have key features like the pre-built components. We're talking about buttons, forms, navigation menus, and so on. They also have responsive design layouts, as well as styling and theming options. Bootstrap is used for general-purpose websites, landing pages, and dashboards because it is popular and versatile, with a wide range of components and responsive design features. Foundation is used for websites that prioritize user experience and accessibility as a responsive front-end layout or responsive front-end template. Its focus is on accessibility and performance. Materialize, on the other hand, looks at making your website sleek with a minimalistic design aesthetic. It's inspired by Google's material design and offers a clean and modern outlook. Tailwinds, developers who use Tailwinds prefer a component-based approach to build user interfaces with a utility-first CSS priority. It provides a set of predefined classes for styling of your components. Moving on to libraries, they offer reusable code modules for specific tasks and functionalities. The focus again is on the specific utilities, such as jQuery, Lodash, Moment for time, Chart for bar charts, graphs, and so on, as well as D3 for data-driven documents. Finally, frameworks offer a comprehensive set of tools and components for building web apps. They provide more flexibility than templates, but they require a little bit more setup. Their focus is on the entire development process, including the architecture, the components, and state management. Prominent examples include React, Angular, and Vue.js. These frameworks have core components and concepts which include virtual DOM, component-based architecture, data binding, and routing. React, developed by Facebook, uses virtual DOM and JavaScript XML syntax with a focus on component-based development and a unidirectional data flow. It is very popular for building complex large-scale applications. Angular, on the other hand, is developed by Google, and it offers a comprehensive framework with features like dependency injection, TypeScript support, and a two-way data binding. It is very well suited for enterprise-level applications. Also, Vue.js is a comprehensive framework that can be used incrementally and is known for its simplicity and flexibility. It does offer a balance between performance and ease of use, and it's very suitable for a wide variety of projects. Some of these technologies we have discussed could be used in combination. Popular combinations include React and Material UI, which is a powerful combination for building complex, visually appealing web applications, while Angular and Bootstrap is a classic choice for enterprise-level web applications. At the end of the day, choosing the right technology or combination will depend on your project requirements, your design preferences, the learning curve, as well as the community support and ongoing development. To wrap up, developers also use source and version control tools to be able to enhance their development and make it easy. Git is a local tracking and version control tool, which is used in combination with GitHub, a remote centralized repository of code, which could be public, accessed by anyone on the internet, or private, accessed by just a select people on your team. Together, these can all significantly improve your development efficiency and create more robust and maintainable web apps. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like and share with others. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. This is Vitus DK. You already know.